Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the boyfriend's icon from the Silly Billy Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a V-shaped point down and back up. And then angle it down on the left side. Now for the right, let's curve it up to the right and bring it down. Now underneath, let's add the eyes. Underneath on the left, let's curve it down and angle it up. And then two curves meeting at a point on the right side. Now inside the right section, let's draw a circle. And another one inside. And then color it in black. Now color the rest of the eyes in black as well. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve over and up on the right, keeping it close to the eyes. Now let's curve it down on the right side and a shorter curve in on the left. And then a curve across the bottom. And now let's add one more curve down on the right. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw a line down on the left and color this section in black. And then let's thicken up the bottom and also the right side. Now for the teeth, let's draw curved V shapes down from the top and color them in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start underneath the left eye and let's draw an angle down and then curve it underneath on the right. And then bring it back up. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hair. On the top right, let's draw a large curve up to the left and bring it back down. Now let's angle it out and down. And add two lines across. Now for the next section of hair, let's draw a V-shaped point out and in. Then a small line in at the bottom and a curved piece of hair underneath. Now let's hop back up to the top left and let's start drawing the shape of the hat. Let's draw a line up and then curve it over to the right and continue it on the other side of the hair. And let's add another two lines across. Now from the end, let's bring it down, angle it out and in. Another angle out and in again. And bring it up at the bottom. Lastly, on the bottom right, let's draw another angle out and bring it back in. And that's it for the Silly Billy boyfriend icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!